How you doing? This is Billy with Come and Get It Charters. Pro staff of dig-in anchors. What we got right behind me is a 21-foot Polar, 150 Honda V-Tec. We're going to go ahead and install this standard mount. It goes on the back of the motor. Saves you from drilling into the hull. So all we're going to do is loosen up these bolts. I've already pre-loosened them. We're going to go ahead and mount this up real quick. 3/4 inch sockets is all you need. Get your bolts off. Once you get your bolts off, it should slide right on, no problem. And take your mount, slide it in on the top one, slide it in on the bottom one. As I drop more nuts, it's great. Fun loving, still quick and easy. If I can get this thing tight. There we go. Bottom one tight. Top one tight. Got 3 standard colors here. You got your pretty and pink for the women. Gotta love it. Slides right down. Don't like the pink. You know, some guys aren't very big on the pink. We've got the black and we've got the white. Either way, these poles are gonna hold you in place in shallow water. Catches more fish all day long.